Do we need a picture this time, or? Chicken jockey. Doggy. Chicken jockey. Doggy. Hi, Jude. What?
Ocean's got big.
Oh, Mom. I need them.
Fire in here. Watch my top. Go sit on there. About that.
Come here, P.
Barbie. Brother man wants to see it.
No, it's her. She's trying to get these off and she almost fell backwards. The hair gets you soaking wet. Yeah. Hey, it tore that umbrella up completely. You're stuck, you're stuck.
You don't like that, Mama.
Hello.
That's crazy when you saw me. Let me try.
Where are they?
Boom.
Where are they, P?
Boom. Boom.
Go away. To who?
That's the one.
Yes, I get it.
I found somebody new and
row. No, 4 in a row. 3, 4.
I'm trying to do a fun one here for you. This one's not your recorded, but I'll put a recording here in the near future. This song called Red Lipstick.
I didn't get it. I'm just saying this. Go! Go!
She got black shoes and a blue jeans and a suede boots and a on the way home right out the sun. Look at that girl with a red lipstick on. She's shining, okay, while at the on. She got the spotlight, got me dancing.